गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। हाय भारद्वाज ट्यूटोरियल से मैं हूं अजय भारद्वाज। टुडे विल डिस्कस द बायो सेवर्ट लॉ ऑफ यूनिट 3 चैप्टर 4 मूविंग चार्ज एंड मैग्नेटिज्म्स। नाउ डिस्कस द बायो सेवर्ट लॉ। टुडे डिस्कस द बायो सेवर्ट लॉ। दिस बायो सेवर्ट लॉ इज एक्सपेरिमेंटली प्रिडिक्टेड बाय द बायोट एंड सेवर्ट लॉ। ये एक एक्सपेरिमेंटली टॉपिक था जिसको प्रिडिक्शंस किया बायोट ने और सेवर्ट ने। considers AB be a small element of length dl and current I flow in the XY wires and the magnetic field inductions produced at the point P at a position vector r vectors from the center of the wires and theta is the angle between current element and the this axis. This axis name is OP. OP. Now, according to Biot law, the magnetic field inductions and magnetic flux density produced at the point P also depend to the following factors. First factor is dV proportional to the I. Second factor dV proportional to the dl and dV proportional to the sin theta and dV is inversely proportional to the 1 upon r square, where r is the position vectors. Now combining these factors, dV proportional to idl sin theta upon r square, where dV equal to k idl sin theta upon r square. K is the proportionality constant and its value is different system. In SI unit is k equal to mu naught upon 4 pi and CGS system k equal to 1, where mu naught is absolute permeability of the free space. जो mu naught है वो क्या है? Absolute permeability of the free space and its value is mu naught equal to 4 pi into 10 की power minus 7 Weber per ampere per meter. Now write in SI system dV equal to mu naught upon 4 pi idl sin theta upon r square. This is the Biot law in SI system. Now in CGS system dV equal to idl sin theta upon r square, value of k equal to 1. Now write in vector form dV vector equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl vector cross r vector upon r cube. This statement is arise from the unit vector, where unit vector equal to suppose r cap equal to क्या होता है r vector upon में magnitude of r. Using this value, then vector form is d vector equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl vector cross r vector upon r cube. Now some cases of the Biot law. Case first, Biot law in terms of current density. Biot law को आपको find करना है current density में, where current density you have studied in the unit second current electricity. What do you mean by the current density? Current density is also defined as the ratio of amount of current per unit area. Current density क्या होती है कि रेशो होती है amount of current per unit area का, where J बराबर I upon A. J इक्वल टू क्या होता है current density, I upon A क्या होता है, I current है, A क्या एरिया है, where dV इक्वल टू mu naught upon 4 pi J vector cross R vector upon R cube into में dV. This is the Biot law in terms of current density. Now Biot law in terms of charge and velocity means dV equal to mu naught upon 4 pi q v vector cross r vector upon r cube. This statement is also created from the electric current, where electric current equal to I equal to q upon t, charge upon time. Now multiply numerator and denominator q upon t dl upon dl, या both side dl से. Then solve this equation dV vector equal to mu naught upon 4 pi q v vector cross r vector upon r cube. Case third, if theta equal to 90 degree, then putting the value of theta equal to 90 degree, sin 90 is always 1. It means dV equal to mu naught upon 4 pi idl upon में r square. This is the maximum value of the magnetic field at theta equal to 90 degree. Next case, theta equal to 0 degree. If theta equal to 0 degree, then sin 0 is always 0. It means dV equal to 0. It means there will be no magnetic field. there will be no magnetic field. Now discuss the some important features of the Biot-Savart law. First point, Biot-Savart law is a symmetrical current distributions law. Second point, Biot-Savart law is only applicable for a small current element, only applicable for small current element. And bias produce the magnetic field by the Biot-Savart law is also totally perpendicular to the dl vectors into r vectors, containing dl vector and r vectors. Next, find the direction of magnetic field. If point P is lie right of the wire, direction of magnetic field, point P is right of the wire, the direction of magnetic field is radially inverse. Direction of magnetic field is radially inverse. अगर point P किसी स्टेट वायर के राइट में है, करंट फ्लो हो रहा है ऐसे, तो उसमें जो डायरेक्शन होगी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की कंटेनिंग अलोंग डीएल और आई एलिमेंट के अलोंग, आई और डीएल के अलोंग कंटेनिंग एलिमेंट है जो, इनके अलोंग जो डायरेक्शन होगी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की, अगर पॉइंट पी राइट में है तो रेडियली इनवर्स होगी, इनवर्स डायरेक्शन होगी. अगर पॉइंट पी लाई अलोंग लेफ्ट ऑफ द वायर्स, अगर पॉइंट पी इस वायर के लेफ्ट में है तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या होगी, डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आल्सो आउटवर्ड्स होगी, कि जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन होगी आउटवर्ड्स होगी. दिस इज द Biot-Savart law. The main important concept या formula of the Biot-Savart law also used in the some applications for state current carrying conductors, circular coil या axis on a circular coil. Use this formula dV equal to mu naught upon 4 pi IDL sin theta upon r square. Please note down this topic in your notebook. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.